Hello again and welcome to AMT Specialist Cars here in Leeds, and today we have another hand selected vehicle in the form of a 2016 registered Golf R. As you can see, the exterior on this vehicle comes finished in the Lapiz Blue, and then the interior of the vehicle is perfectly complemented with the Vienna leather in black. With the Vienna leather, as you'll see when we go inside the vehicle, it comes with the embroidered headrests and a contrasting stitching as well. So walking around the car, you've noticed the silver wing mirror caps complementing the 19-inch Pretoria alloy wheels. Behind the alloy wheels there, we've got the classic black Golf R brake calipers, and the specification and condition continues inside. As you'd expect, a very nice, clean, well presented door card there with a nice touch of the ambient lighting. Got the ambient lighting strip on the door panel there as well. Very well looked after, very well presented. This is a 6-speed manual, 4-motion, being the 4-wheel drive, and then you've got your drive select modes there as well. Further up the dash, you'll see the piano black surround finishing it off, and you've got the heated front seats. Confirmation of the mileage, we've got 17,826 miles, and a flat bottom, full leather, multifunction R-line steering wheel to finish it off. Lovely place to be on the inside, lovely car to look at from the outside. I hope this video has been useful for you, and we look forward to speaking to you soon. Thank you.